Hi guys, I'm Tammy and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a really cute Christmas jumper using my Cricut machine. I think this will make such a great Christmas present, so if you're looking for something really simple and easy to make, this project is for you. So if you've never heard of Cricut before, they have a range of smart cutting machines that are used to personalize projects. You can use Cricut machines on lots of different materials, including leather, wood, and fabric. I really love how I've been able to add my own personal touch to my clothes, but you can also use a Cricut machine to personalize homeware and even make different cards and decorations. So I have the Cricut Joy machine that I purchased earlier this year, and I honestly love how small and compact it is because I live in such a small apartment. It doesn't take up that much space on my desk and it looks really cute. So to get started, we're going to need a jumper. I've already got one sewn up using the Mila Jumper pattern, which I'll leave a link in the description box below to where you can find that. But you're going to want to use something that is soft and cozy. But let me show you how I'm going to create my own design using their app. So all Cricut machines work with a software called Design Space, which is really easy to use. I'm going to start a new project and start typing out a word that I'd like to use in my design. There are hundreds of fonts to choose from, all with different types and styles and weights, but I've already had a look through and saved some of my favourites. I really love this one, so I'm going to use it for this word. Then I'm going to repeat the same process for another word and choose a different font. The Design Space app have these really useful lines that help you align things together easier and get things perfect. I want to add some cute stars to my designs. They have hundreds of different images that you can use and you can literally search for anything. I've already gone through and saved my favorites, which you can access in this folder. If I scroll up, you can see the designs that I like. I really love both of these stars, but I prefer this one. I want these to go either side of the word vibe, so I'm just making the start smaller. I find it really useful to zoom in with your fingers and align everything up how you want. Once I'm happy with the layout, I'm just going to select everything and shrink it down to the size that I'd like. So there's lots of different Smart Iron colours to choose from, but I'm using the gold for this project because I think it will look really good against the red. Now I'm happy with the design, I'm going to select everything and unite it together. And then I'm going to select Make It without a mat. And as you can see, the design has stayed together as one because we've pressed the Unite button. Because we're using text for this design, we need to make sure we select Mirror for Iron On, and this will just flip the words correctly. And now it's ready to send to the machine. So I'm using the gold Smart Iron On, so I need to click the Smart Iron On option. And now it's ready to insert the material. When you're putting it into the machine, you want to make sure that the shiny side is actually face down and it will take it naturally. Once it's configured, we can just press go to start it. So now it says to unload the material and we just need to press OK and it's unloaded it for us. Now that it's done, I like to cut off the excess and save that for future projects. This is literally my favourite part of the whole process, and it's removing the excess iron-on and weeding the design. You can use your fingers to remove the big chunks first. And then I like to come in with the Cricut weeding tool and take all the tiny pieces out of the words. So I have my Easy Press 3 all turned on and ready. You literally just use the Cricut Heat app and connect it via Bluetooth to the machine, and it will just send these settings to it automatically. I really love that it remembers my last save setting. I actually chose the tote bag setting because the red fabric has a really similar texture and it feels kind of sturdy, so I'm going to use that option. So I'm going to preheat the jumper as instructed for 5 seconds by pressing play. Now it's time to place the design on. I'm just centering it where I'd like it to sit and then pressing for 30 seconds. The timer counts down and beeps once that step is done. Now we just need to flip the jumper and press for the final 15 seconds. I like to let this cool before removing it. I just find that it helps stick better, and also it's easier to remove once it's done. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I really love how cute it looks. Let's see what it looks like on. And this is what the final jumper looks like. I honestly love how it turned out. It was such an easy and quick project to do. It would make such a wonderful Christmas gift for friends or family. I've left a link in the description box with all the Cricut products that I use in this video. Let me know in the comments if you're thinking of making gifts for your friends and family, and if this jumper has you inspired to make something a little bit different. I'll see you in the next one.